Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with a card share that I completed today. Um, it is my Father's Day cards for 2026, and if you saw couple um, videos ago, I shared these little quilt blocks that I put together over some index cards that I was doing, and I have not used these up, but I will find something for them. So I'm using 110 cardstock. This is an A2 size card. This is a stamp that I got from, I think it was Hobby Lobby, I think. That I think I got on clearance. So here's my card, and it's just, a quilt block. I backed it with some black cardstock. Here's my finger bow, some really nice blue satin ribbon. And then this is from an old Stampin' Up set. I think it's called Teeny Tiny Sentiments. And I use this a lot. And then I also use this speckled stamp as well. So I cut up 1-inch squares and I laid it on my index card. Then I cut it out. So this is a 3x3 square. And then I backed it with some cardstock, which I already said. Then I embossed it with this Sizzix embossing folder. And I don't even know what the name of this is. And I don't even know if you can really see the texture. This is my husband's card, by the way. So inside is just a little, little, um, I wrote in there. And that is my card. Very simple, very masculine. I love the colors of the pattern paper that I used. And yeah. Oh, and I also inked the edges with walnut stain and then black soot just to highlight the edges. And that is my card. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.